You woke up safe while someone else woke up to sirens. Now what are you doing with the advantage? While presidents plan handshakes in Alaska and argue over maps, you're arguing with a snooze button. Leaders move pieces. You move excuses. Pick a side. Gaza families are packing their lives into plastic bags again. A police officer near the CDC didn't make it home. Thousands in California watch the sky turn the color of a warning. And somewhere a parent is interviewing an AI copy of their dead kid because the real voice is gone. You want perspective? That's not a quote. That's today. South, you want clarity. Here's how it's earned before 8 a.m. Write this down. One outcome by 8 a.m. One enemy trying to stop it. 3 concrete actions. A do not touch list. Outcome, a sent proposal, a finished page, a signed contract, a clean kitchen table, something done and visible. Enemy, clutter, phone, sugar, anxious brain, procrastination habit. Actions, block 45 minutes, airplane mode, door closed. Timer on, stand or sit, but no switching. A single browser tab, 0 chats. If you stop, it's a push-up penalty or a 60-second wall sit. Train your nervous system that quitting burns. Do not touch. Social feeds, breaking news rabbit holes, email inbox. You're not allowed to check something real quick. Your morning is a border. Guard it. Breathe with me for 60 seconds. Seriously, set the jaw. In through the nose 4. Hold 4. Out 6. 10 cycles. If your brain fights, that's fine. Let it swing. You win by counting. Cold water. 60 seconds. Face and chest. It's not punishment. It's a reset switch. You're teaching your body that stress knocks, but you decide who enters. Move weight, not scrolling. Weight. 2 loaded grocery bags. Farmer carry for 10 minutes around your home. Back straight. Steps controlled. Feel the shoulders bite. Pain is data. You're building a spine that can carry bad news without collapsing. Food. Discipline over dopamine. No sugar before noon. If you train early, 30 grams of protein plus water plus a pinch of salt. If you don't, black coffee, water, walk. You are not a vending machine. You're a furnace. Feed it material, not confetti. Money. Open the numbers. Don't flinch. Reconcile the last 7 days of spend. Label every line. Find one leak and cut it. Send 2 invoices or 2 offers. If you have none, send 5 cold DMs with a clear outcome you can deliver this week. Price it. Stand behind it. If unemployed, your job is outreach. 50 attempts today, not motivation. Math shame and relapse. You messed up yesterday? Good. Get honest, not dramatic. 3 steps. Apology to the right person before 9 a.m. Not a paragraph, a promise. Replace the trigger. If the phone traps you, charge it in the kitchen. If the kitchen traps you, throw out the trigger foods now, not later. Now, proof window, 7 days. Daily check mark at night. If you slip, reset at once. No, I'll start Monday. You start at the next decision. Emotions under fire. Anger means energy escaped the leash. Use it. Channel. Push the heaviest set you can control or sprint a flight of stairs. Then speak, not before. Rule, never send a hot message. Draft it. Wait 15 minutes. Breathe. Rewrite at half the words. Then decide if it still matters. Tech is a tool. It serves or it eats. This morning it serves. Calendar. 2 deep blocks today. 90 and 60. Outcome named. Notifications off. Alarms on. That's it. Notebook beside you. Thoughts that try to hijack. Capture and return. Your mind isn't your boss. It's your engine. Gratitude you can feel in your bones, not your Instagram. Your lungs took air without permission. Your floor is not dust and glass. You have a second chance disguised as a morning. Say thank you like it owes you nothing. Because it doesn't. Loneliness is a tax you can reduce. Message 3 people right now. Mentor, I appreciate you. Here's what I'm executing today. Peer, accountability. 1 outcome today. Check me at 8 p.m. Rookie, here's one thing that would have saved me a year. Take it. Global chaos is a headline. Your home is a sovereign state. Secure the borders. Keep promises. Build output. Help a neighbor. That's nation building you control. Stop. Look at your hands. These are your tools. Nobody is coming to sign your papers. Fix your diet or clean your name. That's your work. Start it. Decide now. Say it out loud. I move first. Then prove it. Send the message. Start the timer. Pour the water. Lift the weight. Open the numbers. What are you doing about it? Because while they argue over land, you control inches. Your breath, your calendar, your fork, your words, your reps. Own those inches and the day follows. You want a tribe? Be the person people can count on by noon. You want peace? Do the hard thing while it's still morning.